Unfortunately, oh, just one second. Hello?
Hey, I'm here to call and get an auto insurance quote.
Yes, sir. I can absolutely, I can help you out with an auto quote. Real quick, how many drivers do you guys have in your household?
I have 2 cars. It's just me and my wife.
Okay. Any other drivers in the household? Driving anybody else licensed in the household?
We have a teenager. Someone told me I didn't need to add them to my policy. He has his license, but he doesn't drive any of the cars.
What? In short, yes, you 100% absolutely have to add your officially licensed, like I have a driver's license, not learner's permit, but official license teenager to your auto policy. You have to disclose that to your insurance carrier. You can turn the video off now, that's the answer, but we're gonna dig into it a little bit deeper. So here's what's at risk if you do not add the teen to your auto policy. Let's go from worst case to, I guess you could call it best case scenario. I mean, out of all of this, all of them are bad and they're not good, okay? But let's go from worst case to better case. Worst case is if your teenager is involved in an accident that your insurance company completely denies the claim, meaning that they're not gonna pay for the damage to your vehicle, or they're not gonna pay for the property damage or bodily injury for whoever they hit. So that leaves somebody with the bill. And my friends, that somebody is you. Okay, so the next little bit better case scenario is that the insurance company pays the claim, but then decides to cancel or non-renew you. By the way, if and when your insurance company does that, guess who gets notified the next time you are applying for a new insurance policy? We get those on a report. It's also on the new insurance application. It's one of the questions. If you've been canceled or non-renewed, guess what happens? Your insurance premiums this next time around are gonna go up. You're also gonna have a new teen driver that you didn't have before. So your insurance premiums are gonna go up. You're also gonna have a prior claim and or traffic violations. So that's gonna cause your premiums to go up. The final worst case scenario, but a little bit better than all three of them, is that your insurance company just kind of slaps you on the hand and pays the insurance claim and keeps you as a client, but then charges you for back premium owed for when your teen became a licensed driver in your household. So again, you kind of skip the upfront stuff, you have some bad stuff on your history, and you owe a lump sum of money back to the insurance carrier for the coverage that they provided you during that entire time. So what's the solution? The good news is I have some for you. I've got a couple. Number one, always add your teen driver to the policy as soon as they get licensed to avoid any of these complications. Number two, if you're gonna buy a car for your teenager, please get a vehicle that you don't mind being liability only, okay? It's kind of what my parents would have called like a one-shot vehicle. And what I mean by that is the understanding that if this vehicle gets into a wreck, which it probably would, any kind of damages that happen to it, you're gonna be either paying to fix yourself or saving money for the next car. In the meantime, please enjoy Uber, your bicycle, a skateboard, riding with a friend. Make sure that your teen knows about all of the discounts that they can qualify for. Good student discount with most carriers for having a B average or better. Make sure that they take some sort of driver's ed and driver's training program. Telematics devices that help track and grade the driving habits of the teenager, giving you a long-term discount. And then finally, number 4, guys, you gotta shop with an independent agent like myself at the Rhodes Group, who can offer all kinds of different options. At the end of the day, we have multiple carriers for a reason. We like to be able to provide solutions for you at any point in your life, whether it's, hey, we just got a teen, or our kids just got married, we don't have them on the policy anymore. So with all of those options come a lot of solutions, and you're really doing yourself an injustice if you don't just have us take a look to see if we can provide you with better coverage that's going to protect your quality of life when and if a claim arises. Thank you so much for watching Ask Woody Wednesday. I hope that you got something from this. Please feel free to share this video with someone that you think needs to hear it. And if you have any questions for me, always feel free to ask. You can comment below, or you can shoot us a message via Messenger. Find me on Facebook, find me on YouTube, message me. I'm always happy to help out in any way that I can. Have a great week.